Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? My children they have a breakfast club here every in the morning, so they get the milk and a cereal for them to eat a breakfast. Sobrang lamig. Ayan nga, tingnan nyo, nag-snow yan, no? Ayan. Ayan, snow yan, no? Nag-snow siya sa sobrang lamig. Hanggang doon. Going home na. Pauwi na kami. Nahatid ko na yung aking mga anak. Yun lang. Assalamualaikum. Jazakur khairan. Bye!